Hi everyone, here we will find out how are we familiar with Primavera Basics Release 1912 and Excel, as I will create a project outside of Primavera loaded with work breakdown structure, local currency, calendar and responsible manager using my Excel tool B6. I am Abd-Elhamid. We will download master format 2016 to use as work breakdown structure, convert the file from PDF to Excel, putting the data in Excel file as tree shape, and using our Excel tool I will create new project in Excel, calculate OBS, currency, calendar and WBS, and create a project.xer file, and open Primavera Basics and import our project. Search master format, it's 186 pages, page number 1 no code. This page has header, codes on the left, names on the right, and also the page has footer. Download the file. Okay, I will use this website to convert the file from PDF to Excel. This is one-shot recording, no pause, no cut, no paste, no edit, recording only, and I hope to finish this task in 30 minutes or less. The hard part in this mission is to put the data in tree shape. Tree shape means the names to be in one column without any blank cells in between, and the code to split the code into levels, and one row has only one code. We have the file now. This group means selecting all sheets in one time or more than one sheet. Let's close Google. We need to collect all these sheets in one. This page has one line. The first line is the header and the last line is the footer, so no need to collect them. Check how many page. It's 186. Okay, I have a macro. Will make this for me. All sheets in new book, but I will make a little bit change here, as no need to first row and the last row. -2, -2, and here to let the program read from the row number 2, it will be +1. Run the macro. We collect all sheets in one sheet. I will arrange now to make filter, because the filter makes work easy. Column with 2b5. Here numbers. Increase 3 rows. Make free span here. Here good. To catch all used range, be in A4, press Shift Control End at the same time, and make data filter. I will use the equation of subtotal to know how many records you have. We have 9,044 records. The rows from 5 up to 24, it looks like this page number 1, and there is no codes, so I will delete these rows. Increase the width of this column, and also this one. Let's explore the blank cells, if in this code blank cells or not. No blank cells here, but there is a blank cell in name column. There are 202 rows. That's because some items were written into line or 2 cells. So we have to collect or combine this name, procurement and contracting requirements, this one name, it's separated here. This 202 items like that, we will combine them using this equation. Trim to avoid the spacing of existence in the end of cell or at the beginning. If this cell equal nothing, then combine B5 with space and A6, else take B5 only. Okay, fill down. Now we are ready to delete these 202 rows, but if we delete this row, our formula will give errors. This is because this cell affected by these 3 cells. If we delete this one, our formula will give us error. So we have to do copy, paste special values to avoid the cell has formula. Now no formula, so we can clear this data now. Your name, (202), ready to delete. No need to this file now. Select all. The name column now without any blank cells in between, and this number 1. Number 2, to split the code and let's discover how many code we have, how many level we have in the code. I will use the equation formula len. And to choose the longest one. Here we have 4 level. Separator is somewhere space and point. I will split the code now using data text to column, delimited, next, tab, space and point, next, use text, and let the destination to be column C, because I want to keep the original code as it is. I will insert 3 column here to help me. I arrange for 10 level, but Primavera allows up to 50 level in work diagram structure and 25 levels for other trees. And now I will check for tree shape. I will use this formula, count A, this must be 1. Each row has only 1 code. We have 3 and 4 in 1 line, and I will drag this formula here. If this number equal this one, then the data in tree shape 100%. So we have to clear the repeated code in the level and clear the zeros in front of the level. Step number 1, to clear the repeated code in the same level. Equal if this cell equal this one, then repeated else new. Copy. I will create the repeated code in the level number 1. Go to level number 2, level number 3. Level number 4. I will clear this, no need now. The number is still more, so we have to clear the zeros. This means to catch the value only in the level. We have here 35, and this is the main section of the master format in the level number 1, and we'll clear the zeros here, but for clearing, to check if there is value or not. No value here, no value, no value, so I will clear this now. Go to second level. If we have value, to uncheck. Okay, clear this. The last one. Oh. Now we still have 4 records more. I will catch them from here. This is for the son and the father on the same line, and this is forbidden in T-shaped rows. What we will do, we'll insert row to take the father up and to keep the son in his place, and the missing code is 41 52 60. The same 21, missing code 28 46 21. The last, insert row, take the father here, and the missing code is 000100, and here missing item. Now it's only one code in one row, and these two the same. Our formula now is okay, our data now is okay, but Primavera doesn't accept more than one level, more than one code in the first level. We have 35 code in the first level. Primavera only allows one code in the first level, is the root. So I will add one level in the front, and this will be for the root, and delete one level from the back. Here L again, it's 10 level. Here insert one row. This to be MF01. Here master format. I will change this to include the first level, to change this to include also this row. Now the same. Also to check vertically, is equal count A, C 5 up to make auto sum here. This also vertically 8827 code, 3 numbers equal. Our data now is 100% tree shape. Let's go to our Excel tool. I will create a new LID MF01, project title okay. I will take the data from this now. This are work breakdown structure here. No need now to this file. Don't save. No. Okay. Now currency, I will our Egyptian add currency, the symbol, exchange rate 16. But if your currency doesn't in the database, Primavera will not import the file until you add your currency from admin currencies. Calendar. I will choose Friday as non-work and 2 period only. I will use 2 period. And the official holiday, I will consider the end of any month is a holiday. This is the end of June, end of July, end of August. And here I make one condition. If the official holiday cross with the non-work weekend, then take the next day as non-work. Calendar name, master, 6 days. Okay. Still only WBS. As my expertise in high-rise building construction field, I have my data. This obvious. I will take this copy and put in my file. Okay, I will close this one, no need. Now, our file in Excel, I work with OBS, and this is data of OBS, working with currency, working with calendar, working with WBS, and in project, now I will select the responsible manager here. I will take the boss. Okay. Now, with my Excel tool, I will calculate OBS. Well done. Currency. Well done. Calendar. Done. Work breakdown structure. It will take some time, as this is the longest work breakdown structure. It has 8,827 elements. Okay, now I will create the XER file. Finished. in workflow structure. We have number of record. We have 8,827 elements and 5 level. Now we go to Primavera. I will add a new database. Loaded with sample. Successful. Finish. Now I will import the file, but as I add currency, I will receive a message. Our file here. Keep in enterprise, first highest level. So this import file, the import file contains the following currency which could not be found in the database, the Egyptian pound. To make another currency available for importing the file, cancel the import wizard, add currency through the admin menu. So we'll cancel admin currencies, add here EGY, Egyptian pound, Egyptian, sample LE, exchange rate 60. Okay, close. Now import again. Okay, the import was successful. Close. Open our project. WBS. This is the longest WBS ever. This MF01, this is the road, the first level. Second level is 35 main section. Expand all. I hope to enjoy this. Let's check our OBS. Yes, from here up to here. It's high-rise building. From here up to here. This is what we close. Check our calendar. This master 6 days. It's Friday as a holiday, no work, and I suppose the end of any month is official holiday. This is 30th June. Here 31 meet or cross the weekend, so it'll take the next day. Check. Okay, this one. I hope you enjoy this high Excel tool here, and don't hesitate to contact me at amr.primavera@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.